Your blue is very bright today. It is the best blue. Very powerful. 1 second. Just 1 second. I need to see this. No. No. Sam is in the kitchen. She did not see it. I could tell her. Or I could. Not tell her yet. I brought water. Do you want some? No, thank you. I am fine. Very fine.
It is getting late. We should clean up soon. Yes, definitely. Cleaning up is good.
Are you two almost done in there? Dinner in 20 minutes.
I am very done. All clean. Very finished. You put your pencils in the paint water. That is fine. Blue is a good color for fingers. Very artistic.
I saw an interesting documentary today about cloud formations.
Kai, how was your afternoon?
Very good. Very normal. Nothing unusual happened at all today.
There is a cloud called mammatus. It looks like the sky is upside down. Very dramatic.
I need to get my white shirt. I want to wear it tomorrow.
I will get it.
What happened to Sam's shirt? Oh. Sam spilled the paint. Okay. I will wash it.
Dinner is getting cold.
Coming. Coming.
The rice is good tonight.
I am not very hungry.
Did you know some clouds make their own lightning? Inside the cloud.
Yes. Clouds. Very good. Sam. Nothing. The rice is good. You are right about the rice. I just needed to check the phone. It was 1 second. That is just the light. The light is just blue. It was an accident. Accidents are okay. But the lie was not an accident. A very big bird flew through the window. And it had blue paint on its wings. No. That is the worst story. Even the bird knows that is bad. She looked at me like that. She did not even need to say anything. I will fix it tomorrow. Tomorrow is a good day for fixing things. I did not mean to spill it. It was the reorganization. Why are you so big? Please stop floating like that. You are a shirt. Shirts do not have wings. This is not normal. Why do you sound like Sam? It was a dream. The shirt cannot fly. I need to tell the truth. The shirt is right. She will come out soon. Say it first, before breakfast. You are up early. I could not sleep. I spilled the blue paint on your shirt. I knocked it over reaching for my phone. And then I lied to Mom.
I know. I was waiting to see what you would do.
You knew. Since when?
I saw the paint on the floor when I came back. Blue paint does not appear by itself.
Why didn't you just say something right away?
I wanted to see if you would tell the truth yourself. A lie is worse than a stain. A stain you can wash. A lie you have to carry.
I know. I carried it all night.
You are both up very early. Mom, I need to tell you something.
I knocked the paint jar over with my elbow when I reached for my phone. I lied and said Sam did it. I am sorry.
Thank you for telling me. Telling the truth is harder than lying. I can see that it was hard.
Good morning.
Did you know there was a very bright star visible last night? I saw it from the window at 2 in the morning.
Thank you for waiting. You got there. The science group asked me to join their competition today.
That is great. You are good at science.
They asked me to take notes. Not to do experiments. Just notes.
Just notes? You can do the experiment yourself. That is not fair.
I will take very good notes. The best notes they have ever seen. Sam, good. You can sit here and write what we do.
Okay.
Step 1. Observe. They are setting up the measuring tools. You have a lot of colors in there. Paper cannot win a competition.
Okay. Step 2. Record the method.
They added 2 drops instead of 1 at step 3. I will note that.
That is not the right color. What happened? Step 3.
They used too much in step 3. I will add this to the error log.
How long does science take? A lot of writing, apparently. So what happened? Did the paper win?
Not yet.
How many pages is that?
47 so far.
You made a table of contents for your personal notebook.
Blue tabs are observations. Red tabs are errors. Yellow is questions. Green is for things that surprised me.
You have a lot of red tabs. There are a lot of errors in the world.
The competition is tomorrow afternoon. They think I am just there to write things down.
They are going to find out that was wrong.
Yes.
What is that wonderful organized thing? I have never seen so many tabs in my life. Sam, this is remarkable. You have a whole system here. Did you know professional scientists do exactly this?
Paper cannot win a competition. We will see tomorrow.
Same method as yesterday. Let's go. Same method as yesterday.
Step 3. Extra amount again. Same error as yesterday.
It happened again. The same problem. We have 8 minutes left.
It is step 3. You used too much both times. I recorded it yesterday and today.
You wrote down every step both days. You recorded our mistake both times.
The instructions say 1 drop, not 2. Reset step 3 and use the correct amount. 1 drop.
Please work.
That is it. That is the right color. Your notebook saved us.
Green tab. People are sometimes surprised by what observation can do. I said paper cannot win a competition. I was wrong. The paper did not win. The observation did. You won. They corrected their error in time.
Paper cannot win a competition. Very interesting. Can I look at the notebook later?
You can look at it.
She has sections for everything. Even for mistakes. Kai always rushes. He is better when he slows down. She wrote that about me in her notebook. Sam.
Hmm?
You wrote about me. How long has this been here? Since October. When you rushed the history project and got everything wrong, you were not angry. You just wrote it down.
Angry does not help. Understanding what is wrong is more useful.
I reached for my phone. I was rushing.
Do you want some water? Yes, please.
The notebook. How did the competition go?
We corrected our error in time.
Observation is the foundation of all science. And, apparently, of winning competitions.
He is not wrong.
He rarely is. He just usually takes a while.
Can I borrow a page?
You can have your own tab. We said we would clean up. We are cleaning up.
I know. I just did not realize how much cleaning up means.
All right, see you tomorrow.
She said the door locks automatically at 5. What time is it now?
It is 5:13. The door locked 13 minutes ago.
It is locked. We are locked in. My phone is dead. Completely dead.
3%. 1 call. Maybe 2 short ones.
Call Mom, right now. 3% is enough.
Wait.
If the call sets down before she knows where we are, the 3% is wasted. Think first, then move.
We do not have time to think. We are locked in. We do not have time to be wrong either.
I could shout. Someone might hear. From inside the locked room.
Come here. Look at this window. The teacher opens this one for ventilation. She forgets to close it. I noticed it last week.
That is actually a real way out. Good noticing.
You go out the window first. Then I call Mom. 1 message first. Pack. Our exact location.
Think first, then move. Okay, moving now. It opens. Good. I am going through. I am almost through. Almost. I am a little bit paused at the window.
I can see that.
This is fine. I have a good view from up here. Very scenic.
Lean slightly right. Now go.
I am out. Smooth landing.
Very smooth. I am calling Mom.
Location sent. Calling now.
Mom.
Art room. We are locked in. Kai is outside. East entrance. Come now. The phone died. She heard enough.
Do you think she heard where we are? I said the art room and the east side. That is enough. You know, I would have just shouted. For a long time.
Yes. The window worked better.
Think first, then move. I moved and got stuck.
You thought about the stool. You did not think about the shirt.
I never think about the shirt. This is a pattern.
I can hear someone. Is it Mom? Sam, are you all right?
Yes. Kai is outside the window.
Hi, Mom. We had a small logistical situation.
I can see that.
I was close when Sam called. I had parked nearby. I heard the message before the phone died.
You said the right things in the right order. With 3%, it was enough. It only needed to be enough.
So,
From the beginning. How did you end up locked in?
we stayed to clean up.
The automatic lock is at 5. We were there until 5:13.
And then?
Sam found the window. I went through it. Efficiently.
His shirt caught on the latch. He was stuck for a moment.
There was a brief snagging situation. Sam resolved it.
You worked it out together. I know.
You said what?
I know. What do you know?
I arrived a few minutes before Sam called. I was outside the art room door.
You were outside. The whole time?
You were solving it. You did not need me to come in.
Think first, then move.
You did move, though.
Best week ever? Worst.
Best.
Same thing.